Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? This is the box I'm opening. It is redunculous. If you want to know what Coach bag I have that comes in here, come on back. Okay, I'm going to start off down here. Forgive all the mess that you're seeing. I'm moving into this room, but I need to get this out of here so I can do a proper rest of the unboxing. But I'm like, what's going on? I know what's in here, so this is just this extra big box for this. The box that you had left, big old box for that little bitty thing. I mean, it's not little, but ta-da! Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, Bean Beauties, I'm back. I had to let the dogs out, finish getting dressed, and I have just a little while headed to the doctor's office, so I'll try to do mod shots later, but y'all have seen me wear this silhouette many times, but this bag is so special. This is the only thing that I got from the fall drop on both sides, both the boutique and the outlet. I saw this and I was like, I need this. Right now my collection's about adding to my collections within the collections and getting those where I'm happy. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. So far, today is Monday the 8th and I haven't seen anybody open this yet. But I've been living in a small bubble, so if you saw one or you unboxed one, tag me so that I can go watch the video. All right, so I just want to make sure everything is okay. Let me look at it. Let's look at it together. What do you see? Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, the leather. Okay, so y'all, this is the large Suede Rowan. Now, if you've been watching me, you may think this is my first suede item, but it's not. I have some that you don't know about, and I have a little collection that have not been used, were unboxed. I bought them back in 2023. I'm trying to find the little cutter. Found it. 2023, I unboxed them, took them out of the box and most of the paperwork, and then I put them in their favorite little cubby holes, and that's kind of where they sat. Then I started my channel, and I don't know why I never showed y'all. Probably because I already had so many things, fresh things to unbox for y'all that I just didn't. Okay. I'm still trying to get used to my setup and trying to get used to where I'm at. So the large Rowan came in at $199, and I'm going to go ahead and take off this. The little tag is for the zipper pull. They used to put plastic on it when I first bought one. Now they have these little thingies. They've got this covered. I'm curious to see. This is leather, and it's the brown. Oh, it is just gorgeous. And it's got the gold. You know, I'm partial to gold in my handbags. They just, you know, mostly that just makes me happy. Makes me happy. Let me give you a tour. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And here's the bottom. The bottom has leather with the 4 brass feet. And it's the gold, the brass. You know, I just say gold because, you know, that's what my brain says, but it's the brass. And it's just gold, beautiful gold, shiny gold color. I love this color combination. It's like those carpets. You roll it this way, it's a little bit darker. You push it that way, it's even darker. This way becomes lighter. I just love this. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so this is making me feel a little bit more fall, Julie. I'm starting to feel a little bit more fall. Football started. We had a game already. We watched some college games. Go Longhorns. Watch the Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys. Go Cowboys, and you'll get them next time. But this, unboxing this is starting to get me there into the fall season. It's coming whether or not we want it. I mean, you know, I don't know when the official fall date starts, but the grandkids are back in school. Fall baseball has started. So yeah, I mean, we're there. Even though I'm still going to hold on technically a little bit more to summer. But we are in the 80s today, the high 80s today. So that's amazing for us. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'm curious if it's canvas on the inside. Lots. Okay, I'll be back. Lots of unpacking. The air conditioner came on. I'm trying a different way of miking myself up, so hopefully it's better than the other way. In this room, for some reason, it picks up the air conditioner a lot more. I mean, the unit is right there, like basically in my closet, but I mean, it's not the closet, it's the hallway, but it's, you know, it's an old house, so it's paper thin walls, and since the motor, I guess, is more towards my office, it interferes with the other microphone I was using. So I'm starting all over again. So I'm sorry if the sound is going to be off for a while. Hopefully it's not. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm sorry if the sound's bad. I promise you it will get better. I'm just trying to adjust to the new area. Oh, y'all. Oh my gosh, look. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It is more of this color that's on the inside, and it is it's a cloth. The interior is cloth. They do have these, which I'm going to go ahead and leave them in on both sides, which I like that packing there. I'm going to take this off. I might get it as ready as I can for when I wear it. So the zipper pull is the brown leather, and it has the front pocket in here that snaps, that you know, it's a good size slit pocket, and on the back you have your zip pocket here. The zipper's really nice, and okay, no, just a zipper pocket back there. It has the double zipper. Oh, I like this. Here is the crossbody strap. Let's see. Oops. Let's see what the strap is. Nice, beautiful, beautiful color. And here's the color. The brown is like a chocolate brown. I don't know what they're calling it. I'll put it up on the screen if I know what, if it has like a color. But oh, very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then here's the little hook thing. I'm always losing that on there because they make them big so that they're easy to slide in and out, you know, the tongue of the belt, but it falls off really easy. All right, then I just wanted to show y'all, in case y'all haven't seen it, is the beautiful Suede Large Rowan. I saw it. I was gonna go for the Ashton because the new Ashton that came out in green, I saw that it was gonna be gold. Well, it's that shiny leather. It's not shiny leather, is not patent leather. It's something else, a different process. So it's supposed to be more hardy. It's not supposed to get sticky, but I live in Texas and the weather, and I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to mess with it because I have a couple patent leather bags that I think I'm gonna go ahead and have to let go because it's just nah. I just can't. But it gives a nice little slouch. It's not going to give a huge big old slouch because it does have this leather piece on the bottom that keeps it from all of your things, you know, kind of falling down. And I don't mind that at all, but you know, but it does give you a little bit of slouch down here. For those of you who like to slouch, it is a little bit, it is soft. To touch, it is soft and smooth. I have felt other suedes that were a lot softer than these, which I'll have to compare them to my Dee Dee suede. But in general, I'm happy with it. It has the back zipper back here. I'm not sure if I showed y'all. And and then it has a pocket back here. They've been doing better with these zippers. When they first made these zippers, they would get caught on here, but it looks like they're trimming them down a little bit more, so that's helpful. But in either case, I just leave it open when I'm using it. It did leave the indentation from the packing there of the zipper because it was pushed up against it like that, but that's all right. I have my suede cleaner and I have my suede eraser, so I'm all ready to wear this baby. And now I got to figure out how I'm going to dress her up. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, I will catch you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you picked up anything from the fall, and if you let me know if you got this one, and if we're large Suede Rowan twins. I love to know who I'm twinning with out there. All right, love y'all. Bye-bye.